My future is so bright. Sudden wear shades. Hey guys, good morning. So this is Monday today, and I do have a professional conference to attend, so I'm all set to leave the house a little late, but I will be there in time. They're just having breakfast, so I should also be able to catch up with breakfast and then just get settled, get my registration done and all that. So I thought to check in with you guys and just say hi to you all. So my makeup is all done. I'm putting on this simple corporate one piece outfit. So it's all black, has a little netting going on here, and I accessorized with a wristwatch and silver to make it like white gold to make it pop. These ones don't leave my neck, so I typically have them on my body 24/7. So yeah, I'm all set to leave, and let's go. Talk to you later, okay? My future is so bright. Sudden wear shades.
You ready to do a practice round? I love you. Are we ready to do a practice round?
Yes.
Here we go. 3, 4. Excellent. Okay. Last instruction. You need to know when to start singing and when to stop singing. So the signal to start singing is this. The hands are busy, all right? The signal to stop singing is this. And they look shockingly similar, but there's a big difference, all right? If you are not singing, start. If you are singing, stop. Okay. Glad I took the time to explain that.
Content I don't land. Hey, content I don't land. Hey, content I don't land. Come on, content I don't land. Finally, the package I have been waiting for. The package of all packages just arrived. Oh my god. I am thrilled. I cannot wait to start using this product. Okay, who wants to see? Guys, we're looking at the drop top from Pith and Stem. Yo, Pith and Stem. So I opted for the dual monitor in 27 inches. So as you can see, this is what it's going to look like at the end of the day. I'm not going to share lots of details now until when I'm unboxing and setting it up, but I just really wanted to give you that quick overview of what it looks like. So this drop top, I have been for the longest time looking at alternative ways to improve like my work from home setup. I'm hybrid, so I do work some days at home and some other days in the office. And I did not want to actually have a physical table because, again, there's that thing about space management. I am big on, space, having like a good flow of everything. And I really, for some reason, have been so tired of seeing an actual table. And so I wanted something that at the end of the workday, I can just make it disappear. Like mentally, I'm also disconnecting from work, if that makes sense. And then until I'm now needing to use it. So I wanted a space where my workstation can be, but it's a multifunctional space for other things. That has always been like my plan for a while. So I moved recently. Obviously, you guys know, you've been seeing pictures. But before I moved, shortly before I moved, actually like maybe 3 days before I moved, I decided to settle on this brand because they understand my need. And why not? So I went for the pith and stem drop top. This brand is located in the UK. So this brand is not in Canada, but they ship worldwide. So I placed this order, and for the one I placed the drop top order in dual screen 27 inches monitor. And so the classic version, there's two kinds, the classic and the light version. So I opted for the classic version. So that takes longer to produce. So they produce on demand, and it takes 8 to 10 weeks. Hello. This is the 10th week and they have delivered. So I have received my package today and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start using this workstation. I cannot wait to see how my space comes alive. I cannot wait to see how I can improve my productivity, even in terms of content creation and all that. I've been looking forward to this product for the longest time, and I'm excited that it's here now. Yeah, it is. So I have to figure out a way to remove what I currently have now and try to set up this one. So I'm not going to give too many details about this because obviously I want you to see what it looks like and just really share more about this. But hey, yes, again, on the price, this costs me a lot of money, I won't even lie. And then let's not also forget that for a brand that you are shipping from overseas, you have to pay import duties, right? And I did pay all of those things. So yes, my priorities might be different from your priorities, but this is something that I've really been looking forward to. And for what I want, for this need, I would go all out for it because it's beneficial to me. So this whole thing, I think I've spent approximately, maybe we're looking at 3,500-ish Canadian dollars, including the import duties. It could be slightly more, but nothing less than that. So I'm happy that after 10 weeks of waiting, my baby is finally here. So cannot wait to use it. Another thing I like about this is that when I'm ready to move to the next place, I just dismantle it, pack it up I go, and set it up. Like, you really do not need a large space. Just a nice blank wall that can take the measurement does the work. So you can mount this by your entryway, in your bedroom, literally in your living room, your den, anywhere that, you know, a traditional table and chair might not necessarily fit into. This can work. So yeah, that goes my review and my rave about this product. So yeah, I would come back here when I'm ready to set up. Okay, I just wanted to check in with you guys and just share that I'm super excited that the product of all products, the package of all packages, just arrived. I'm also going to give a huge shout out to DHL for handling this. Like, DHL is truly the best, and this is no cap, like truly the best. The courier guy that delivered this particular piece went over and beyond. Thank you, Sean. I don't know if you ever get to see this video, but I just want to thank you for going over and beyond for me. Like, you were so patient with me, and this thing is heavy. Like, he did everything and put it in my house. Like, I did not have to lift anything. The only time I would have to now start doing all of this is when it's time for me to set up. But pretty much he went over and beyond, and thank you so much. Like, they couldn't have used a better courier company than DHL, and that's on period. Yeah. Hey guys, happy Friday from the city of Toronto. How are you guys doing? What's going on? How are you transitioning into the summer? We're still in spring, but I feel like we are having summer vibes. And today I am heading out to just go do some fun activities with my colleagues. I won't be vlogging so much, to be honest, but I will try to share a few clips here and there. Today we're going to go like painting. I can't recall exactly what we're painting, but definitely painting for sure. And God knows I am in need of some form of activity because the past couple of days have been super hectic, and I'm also recovering from a terrible cold. Not sure why I'm having cold anyways, but I feel like every time we are transitioning between seasons, it kind of affects me, like cold and everything. So even though we're transitioning into summer, the weather has just been a little erratic. 1 minute is hot, the next minute it's cold. So I guess all of that just has its way, like the way my body receives all of that, you know, fluctuation is it tells on me sometimes. So yeah, I'm all set. I'm putting on a light sweater and shorts that match, and just really keeping it simple. So I'm gonna share like a full OOTD, and yeah, and then I'll head out to go meet them. Okay, so guys, outfit check. This sweater, I think I bought it from Nigeria before I relocated, so I don't know where I bought it from. It's been a long time. But this pants is from my girl LW Couture. You guys have seen this pants before, this shorts before. I've styled it in different ways, and today I'm styling it differently. And I have my Nike running shoes, so it has a little bit of green reflectors, kind of ties into the vibe. And my wristwatch is by DKNY, and my black purse from DKNY, and of course my Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So yeah, outfit check, all set. Okay guys, I'm gonna start heading out simply because I don't want to rush out. Like, I don't want to be in such a hurry, so I think it's best for me to start heading out now and just take my time. Honestly, it's really not far from where I'm going to, but the sun is so high out there. I'm just gonna go through the subway. Ideally I could walk, it's just about 12 minutes, but the sun is not having mercy on us right now. So I'll talk to you guys later and try to bring you along as best as I can. Stay tuned, and bye for now.